Hey everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to enable show hidden files on ZArchiver in just a few seconds. First, open the ZArchiver app on your Android device. Make sure you are using the latest version, so all options appear correctly. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Now select File List and scroll down until you find the option called Show Hidden Files. Just toggle it on and that's it. Now go back to your storage. You will see all hidden folders like Android data and other .files appear instantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.